Yo, what's going on, guys? DJ Hes here, CollectiveKicks.com. Wanted to bring you guys an unboxing video. I'm super duper excited to show you guys this. If you hear some heavy panting in the background, Chloe's chilling over there and Lola is chilling right here. And I just fed them and they're not eating their food. Like, I don't get it. Some days they do that. It's just kind of crazy. But, dudes, I'm really excited to show you guys this video. I'm not going to be able to upload this video or actually show this video to you guys until way far away. But I wanted to at least record my first video of my collaboration with Saucony. And this is the very first sample. I need to sharpen this knife up. Everybody always says it, but it's true. My first sample, look, I did see a picture of it, but I haven't seen him in person yet. And so this will be kind of exciting to show you guys an unboxing of the sample, the very first pair that they ended up designing, or that I ended up designing, that they ended up making. And here we go. I just gotta double check something here. There's some stuff on here maybe I can't show, so I'm just gonna go like this, throw it back in here. All right, dude, so this is it, moment of truth. So the inspiration on these are a little bit different than what you guys might appreciate or like. But this is definitely something that is perfect for me for sneakers. And this is, oof, man, good God, they did such a dope job on this first sample. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need another one made, but this is it, man. This is my Saucony Grid 9000, and this is inspired off of a Technique 1200 turntable. And it was my first turntables that I bought, and the purple hits are colored like off of the slip mats. There's 3 dots right here. There's a red, yellow, green for the 3 lights on a Technique 1200 turntable. There is the head shell right here. That's where you attach the needle and it goes on top of the record. You can see even this material that the head shell sits on. This is a little crooked, so I might have them redo that. But this material is kind of vinyl looking material as well, so it kind of is dope because it looks like the needles on the head shell. Vinyl on the back, and then this is the area like basically where you slow down the record and whatnot. You would hold onto this and the bumps would slow it down. And the other thing that's really dope about these is these have glow-in-the-dark soles, and I don't to this day, maybe in the past they did this and I just haven't seen it, but I haven't seen a glow-in-the-dark Saucony before. So this to me is super sick. The fact that I was like, dude, can I make it glow? And they're like, yep, we can do whatever you want. And then you can see right there the Heskicks logo, not logo, but the name on here. I might do some sort of a name logo on the back or something. This is the very first sample, so by the time you guys get this, it will be really late. I will probably change up the laces to some rope laces as well, as we get a couple options for that. But you can see the super premium suede on here. We have the black and then the 2 purples and then the gray on the toe box. I just wanted it all suede on the other parts, and then you can see the vinyl behind here and the chrome. There's parts of the turntables that are chrome as well. So man, these came out like just super ridiculous. Super happy with the way these came out. There might be a couple minor modifications that I would like to see made to these. Other than that, this is pretty dope. Oh yeah, check this out. So on the insoles, even they did the insoles. I don't know if you can see it, but no, you can't see it. I don't know if I can pull them out. Let me move this over so you can see this. They're the head. It's 2 head shells on the bottom. Down there, so they're kind of adjacent to each other, or next to each other, and so there's 2 head shells there, and then on this one it's the same thing. So it's kind of the head shells, 2 of them on the inside of the soles. But this is my design, man. I hope it gets a public release. I'm not sure if you guys are feeling the design or not. It really is something special to me, though. I started collecting sneakers in 2003, really when I started DJing, back in that era. So that's why these are dope to me, because it really started something big for me. Like, it started my hobby for DJing as well as helped fund my hobby for sneakers, which has turned into just a crazy whirlwind of a ride that this has had. So really happy the way that these came out. Excited to make a couple little minor tweaks to it, and I'm really happy that I was able to show you guys these finally. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Show your support. If you guys would give the video a thumbs up, much appreciated. And dudes, thank you guys for watching. We catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.